So, hello everyone, in the last episode, which is gonna be episode 7, as you can see, we have built the whole map. It is very perfectly. And what we're gonna do today is that we're gonna need to um, make the shop UI. As you can see, if I click this button, and when the player is in the mid fight, by the way, don't mind this error, just some textures, is gonna get this item shop with the weapons here, with the heals. You can put unlimited weapons and keep going right and left. Can put heals, can put mobilities. I put those just for the test, and yes. So let's not talk that much, and let me show you how you can get those stuff. So you can get this shop UI for a very cheap price. You can put it in any map you have for only $30. Also, you can get a lot of assets we have in our Patreon with the cheapest prices in the market. And yeah, as you can see, you can buy it and you will get those files, which is the verse files here, 2 verse files. And if you got it, I'm gonna show you how you can set up the verse device. So as you can see here, first we have a folder that is called item shop, where you're gonna put your assets, and then the name of the gun you have, it should be very correct. And then this array here should be the name of the tab, as I'm gonna show you right now in the verse device. If I type shop after we build it, we will have options to make tabs. I made 3 tabs. The first one is named weapon, so I gotta come here and make a shop item texture string, call it weapon. Then the next one I call it heal, then I copy paste it, and the third one I called it mobility. So after you do that, you will click on tab items, and then you will need to put the name of the gun. Okay, the name of the gun. For example, this one are for those one are for the guns, and the price of it with the gold, and the trigger to equip it and the trigger to unequip it. So this trigger should be linked with the item granter if you want to grant this item. Then this one should be linked with the item granter. Then you will need an item remover that's gonna remove this item on this trigger have been clicked. So let me get some gold. Let me show you exactly how does it works. I got enough gold. Now if I click here, it's gonna say exactly how much gold I have. And let's say I don't have any gun. Let's say I want to buy this gun. I want to click here, equip. Now I have it. If I click again and I click unequipped, I don't have an item remover, but it's gonna remove that from you, and you can equip it whenever you want. Same for the heals. So we're gonna come to the Uefn again, and you're gonna add as much triggers as you want. Make sure that it's gonna be on triggered grant item, as much guns as you want. Just make sure on the shop device you have added this one to the code, and the good name for the name of the gun. You can do the same. You can create another tab, don't put anything here, and call it heals and add the items you want. You can play with those colors later on. You need a conditional button by default without any settings, just add the gold to it. And then you need a trigger to show the shop UI. For me, what I did is that I have a trigger right here, and then I link it with the signal remote manager. So this one is a legendary one. It have a legendary remote, and then I grant the players the remote on in their spawns. I don't think that it is very hard. If you bought it, I'm gonna help you with many things. You just need to have the assets in fortnite.gg of the guns you want. I'm gonna show you the content folder right now, the content drawer. I am just lagging a bit, I'm sorry for that. And this one is gonna be, this is the item shop. Are the assets you will get, and then yeah, you are all good to set up anything you want. So let's not talk that much. Thank you so much for watching the video. I know that it's very short. I try to explain as much as you can, and I know that you guys are very talented. I hope you are learning a lot from me. And yes, see ya in the next tutorials, which are gonna be, we're gonna make a red fist blue from scratch. Okay, I already made the design, but we're gonna do it from scratch with the basic functions, powers, mechanics, settings, etc. Thank you so much, and have a great night.